Hi, this is a brief explanation of how to insert a header and not to have it be visible on the first page. So I have my document here. This is my first page. This is my second page. To insert a header in Microsoft Word 365, I'm going to click on Insert, and then I'm going to come over here to Header, and I'm going to do a blank header. Okay. Now I have some options here. I have under Design, I have different first page, different uneven pages, and show document text. So I'm going to do a different first page. Okay. And then I'm going to leave it blank because we don't want anything visible on the first page. Then I'm going to scroll down here to the second page and I'm going to type in Johnson Report. Okay, I'm going to format that font. I'm going to make it 8 point, and I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go to Layout, and I'm going to Home, and go over here to align it to the right side of the page, because that's what it's supposed to look like for your Johnson Report. I hope that's helpful.